Hey,
Welcome to Spoken World Online, number 23 on the 18th of August, 2020. This is a poem by Roarshock, also known as D.A. Wilson, a poem I love very much, and I'm happy to read to you because he asked. This is called First Hours of a Rainy Day. Lines in Oakland, Oakland lines. Endless freeways in California, misty forests and angel mistrals. All is all is lines. Loved the girl, he loved the girl. Orange thinness, yellow sun, springs and clocks, human fetus, incredible photos. Beetles in yellow submarines. A circle is magic. Child's art and pumpkins grand. Such a perfect smile. No more, no more, gone. All is darkness never ending. The sun's not seen in Oakland, but lines are in the painter's eyes.